Okay, just a quick revise. We've talked about adverbial clause. What are the adverbial clause? It starts with adverb. Like what? Because, unless, because of. Each one of them has a meaning. If I want to give a purpose of something, I'm going to use in order to. Okay? If I want to talk about conditions, then I'm going to say if, even if, in case, only if, and unless. If I want to talk about place, wherever, whenever, and everywhere. If I want to talk about what else? So this is it. And if I want to give reasons, of course, I'm going to say because of, and now that. Now that I use it also, it's an adverb, and I use it also to give a reason. Right. Now we have a very simple exercise on page 71. Exercise B. You're going to complete the sentences with the words in the box. In some cases, more than one answer is possible. Okay, so do you want me to give you 2 minutes to think about the answers, or you already did it because I asked you yesterday? Hmm.
What? I'm sorry. What did you say?
Do you want few minutes?
To do the exercise, you mean?
Exercise B. You
Okay.
cannot see. Oh, okay. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes and then we're going to start. Okay, now let's see.
It's a very easy exercise. Just remember also, as it said here, that in some cases more than one answer is possible. As an example, number one, I will give you a call while we are hiking unless I cannot get a signal on my cell phone. Number one, it rains tomorrow, comma, the parade will still happen.
Even if.
Yes, yes, even if, oh, sorry, I cannot hear you. Mm, yes, just a minute. Yes, number one is even if it rains tomorrow, the parade will still happen. Even if. Thank you. Right. Number two, it is important to wear your seatbelt. You don't get hurt in an accident.
So
Yes,
that.
so that. Very good. So that, as we said, it's like because and because of. I can use it to give a reason. Thank you, all of you. So it is important to wear your seatbelt so that you don't get hurt in an accident. Okay, right. No. Number three, people vote have an impact on their government. People vote, yes, very good.
In
In
order
order to.
to.
Say it again, please, Ranim.
In order to.
Yes, very good. In order to, I use it to what? To give the purpose of something. أحيانا الpurpose of something والreason يعني كأنه confusing أحيانا إنه ممكن أنا أستخدم both of them. So here I would say in order to people vote, what is the purpose of that? What is the goal, the aim in order to have an impact on their government? Number four, the football game had to be cancelled. The heat. Why the football game has to be cancelled? Yes, thank you, all of you. Because of. Because of the heat. Number five. Blank, he goes, his little brother follows him.
Wherever.
Yes, wherever. Here I'm talking about a place because I can understand his little brother follows him, then yes, it's related to place. So wherever. And number six, he's working in a prestigious law firm. He wears sophisticated clothes. Yes,
Because and since.
yes, we can say because he's working, not because of, because he's working or since he's working. Both of them, I use them to give a reason. Now, do you think this kind of question is easy if I bring it in the exam? Because we still have one exam left. Do you think it's easy? If I bring it in the exam, can you answer those kind of questions?
Maybe it's difficult.
Yeah, here the sentences are somehow difficult. Maybe we can, I can write simple sentences. Okay, but since now we have a long exercise here. Okay, in this exercise, you're going to combine each pair of sentences using the appropriate word or phrases in parentheses. So, for example, I will buy an electronic book reader. One sentence. I won't buy it if it's too expensive. Another sentence. And then between parentheses, he gave you options because or unless. So, I will buy an electronic book reader unless it is too expensive. So, I won't buy it. These all things he just remove it and then he used unless it's too expensive. يعني إن هو سيشتري book electronic book reader إلا لو كان too expensive. Okay, طيب. Now let's move on to number one. Just a minute, let me prepare. Right. In number one, we are going to use a map. This is the first sentence. The second sentence, we
Since
have
we
no idea how to get there. You have sense and so that. Mm-hmm.
since we have no idea
Okay, just let me write with you. Since we have no idea.
how to get there,
Yes.
and we need yes,
We are going
we
to use.
we are going to use a map.
Very good. Excellent. We are going to use a map. Thank you, Ranim. Thank you, Rahaf. So since we have no idea to get there, we are going to use a map. Since هنا أيضا بمعنى reason. يعني لأننا we have no idea, because we have no idea, then we're going to use a map. Right. This kind of exercise very important, Salis. If you think it's too long for you to write, you can turn on your mic and say your answer. Number two, a new leader has been elected. One sentence. Things are starting to change, unless or now that. What do you think?
New
Okay, I'm writing with you. A new, yes.
knew that a new leader has been elected. Things are starting to change.
A new leader has been elected. Uh-huh. Yes. I cannot hear you, Rima. لا لا، صوتك يقطع. فقط عندي أنا يا ثالث.
لا أكل صوتي. لا مع علم إن إحنا أيضا نقطع.
ريما ممكن تغيري المايك؟ ها ريما. Mm-hmm. You can write your answer if you want. I'm waiting for you.
Teacher,
Mm-hmm.
I have an answer. Can I write it or say it?
Yes, 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 please.
I don't think it's right, but I'm just gonna say it.
Yes, please.
Now that things are starting to change, a new leader has been elected.
Now things that are starting to change. A new leader has been elected.
Mm.
It's going to be the opposite. Imagine, get into the meaning of the sentence. Now
I
that
know.
a new leader has been elected, دائما when there is a new leader, of course, after electing the new leader, things are going to change.
I
So,
made it negative though.
in what?
I made it negative.
In a negative way?
Yes.
Now that things are starting to change, a new leader has been elected. It's too complicated, Ragad. I would prefer it to start with a new leader has been elected, and then as a result of that, things are starting to change. Now that, thank you so much, Ragad. Either has been elected, comma, things are starting to change. Thank you, Bayadir. Thank you, Dana. Hello, Dana. Number 3. You get the flu shot. This is one sentence. You can still get the flu. Even if or in order to. I think this one is very easy. Yes, thank you, Rahaf. Even if you get the flu shot, you can still get the flu. Which I didn't know. Is this true? Do you think, guys, even if you get the flu shot, you can still get the flu? The flu shot. Do you know what is the flu shot? flu shot يعني التطعيم. تطعيم الإنفلونزا. Number 4. She takes her electronic dictionary with her. She takes it to each place she goes. You have unless and you have whatever. Now we're talking about place.
Um, she takes her electronic dictionary with her wherever she goes.
Yes, excellent. She takes her electronic dictionary with her wherever she to each place or wherever she goes. Let's say wherever she goes. Okay, number 5, and then we're going to stop. You want to go to a top university, you must have excellent grades. Because of or if. Here we're talking about a case.
If you wanted to go
If you
to a top new university, you
yes,
must have excellent grades.
excellent. Thank you. If you want to go to a top university, you must, you must have excellent grades. Okay. Also, let me ask you this question. If I bring this kind of question in the exam, would you be able to answer it?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Okay. I think we're not going to do the rest, and also exercise D and E, we're not going to do them. So on Sunday, we have students who are going to explain the lesson. Okay. Okay, so we're done today. Do you have any questions, Alice?
No.
Okay. Just let me take your attendance, and then you're free to go. Okay, Bader is here. Jude. Jude. Is absent. Dana.
موجودة.
رغد موجودة. رفيف موجودة. ريماس. Rimas is absent. Rahaf is here. Rima is here. Sarah الزهراني.
Yes, teacher.
رايمة رود كتبت لك في الشات.
Okay. Okay. Sadine is absent. Shafiqa.
Yes.
Ghadi.
Yes.
Shahad. Shahad is absent. Farah. Farah.
نعم.
Okay. Maria.
نعم موجودة.
Najia.
موجودة.
And Rani. Okay. So we're done. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.